Let's say you're teaching a class and maybe you teach 3 of the same thing over and over again and you want to manipulate this lesson multiple times. What's kind of the best workflow you feel like in order to not adjust my original one? Because my original one lives on my computer. It's in my Google Drive, right?
Yeah, it's a really good question. So earlier when I pulled in my lesson from Google Drive, that was just a copy of it. So I don't have to worry about editing my original. My original stays in Google Drive and it's not going to be changed. But I also have the option right here if I want to share and save it as a different file. I can right here, if I click save as easy write, I can name it like block 1 and then name it whatever I want to, tap OK. And then I have the option to save it directly to my board or save it to my AMS files, which I can select my board, or I can save it to my Google Drive, which will save me a lot of time instead of having to dig through everything else.
Yeah, that is so nice because, having that original one in the Google Drive and teachers not having to go and recreate or even duplicate, that one lives there. And then when they bring them in, and then, I know when I taught 6th grade and I taught the same thing 3 times in a row, sometimes my 3 classes weren't in their same spot every day. So when I end the lesson, by having an easy way to save it and identify that, because now tomorrow I can come in and do the import that you already showed us and be able to continue right where I left off with each class.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
awesome.